Feeling exhausted, losing muscle, or not just yourself? Hey, it might not just be aging. It could be low testosterone. And the truth, it might surprise you. What's up, fellas? I'm Dr. Josh Bletzinger, a certified functional medicine practitioner and former hockey player turned functional medicine expert in the world of male health. I've spent over 20 years helping men just like you escape the energy sapping grip of male andropause and helping rebuild their strength, vitality, and mental performance. Today, we're diving into something that every man over 40 needs to hear, the truth about testosterone. And spoiler alert, it's not just about age, and it's not just about hormone replacement therapy. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to tackle low testosterone naturally and reclaim your life. Let's get straight to the point. Testosterone is critical. It's the hormone that fuels your energy. It drives your motivation, builds your muscles, and sharpens your mind. But what happens when those levels start to dip? You might think, I'm just getting older. But that's just part of the story. Here's what you need to know. Number 1, recognize the symptoms. Fatigue that doesn't go away, creeping weight gain, mood swings, or a frustrating dip in libido. These aren't just random signs of getting older. These are red flags that your testosterone levels could be plummeting. And if you're not addressing it, the quality of your life could be slipping through your fingers. Okay, number 2, identifying the root cause. And here's the kicker. Just replacing testosterone isn't the fix. The real issue, what's causing the drop in the first place? It could be stress, poor diet, or even something as common as a lack of sleep. We have to dig deep to find the root cause, not just slap a Band-Aid on the symptoms. And number 3, the good news, you don't have to go straight to the pharmaceuticals or hormone replacement therapy. There are powerful holistic strategies that can help you restore your natural balance. We're talking optimizing your nutrition, incorporating targeted exercise, and yes, even managing that stress. These changes can make a massive difference in your testosterone levels and in your life. So if you're ready to take control, the next step is to set up and complete your testosterone fix functional health strategy assessment. This assessment will help us map out exactly where you stand and what you need to do to get back on track. Now, I do want to hear from you. What symptoms are you experiencing that you think might be related to low testosterone? You can comment below or message me directly. I read every one and I'm here to help you find the answers that you need. And don't forget, this is just the start. In the next video, I'll be breaking down the top 5 natural foods that can help boost your testosterone levels naturally. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And remember, low testosterone doesn't have to control your life. Let's take back your health one step at a time. Talk soon.